This 2013 Freightliner looks a little like I do on a Wednesday morning after Taco Tuesday at the local bar. Come on by, we'll tell you all about it. We'll take a quick walk around for you. Other than the grill, I mean, the nose doesn't look too terrible. Detroit horsepower under the hood, fuller 10-speed for you. Let's take a walk around. Cab looks like it's in pretty good shape. Exhaust stack is still there. Tires look like they got some life in them. Dual fuel tanks. Fifth wheel on the back working for you. Back of the cab looks pretty good. Nice stickers for you. You know, when you're out there zombie hunting or whatever else is going on. Air seat for you. 10-speed fuller in the center. Working AC. Looks like a pretty nice cab for you. Everything's pretty good on it except for the reverse lights. The engine light's on. As always, we tell you what's going on with it, not necessarily why. Come on by, see us for whatever you need. Maybe you want a good project. Maybe you got some pieces that'll work on this one that are bad from your other truck. Whatever it is, give us a call. We'll see if we can help you out. And you can, as always, visit us right here at Arthur Trovey & Sons in beautiful Sparrow Bush, New York. In business for over 90 years, and we look forward to adding you to the list of satisfied and happy customers.